If you want to build a professional consulting website that actually attracts clients and positions you as an expert, this video is for you. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a modern consulting website using WordPress, even if you have zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll have your hosting and domain set up, WordPress installed, a professionally designed consulting template imported, your pages customized with simple drag and drop editing, and your site fully live and ready to generate leads. We'll be using Hostinger for hosting, and I've included an exclusive discount link in the description that gives you up to 85% off, plus an extra 10% off with my coupon code, plus a free domain name. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest pricing available. Let's get started. Before we start building, let me quickly show you what we're creating today. This is the completed consulting website. You'll have a professional homepage, an about section that builds authority, services pages to showcase what you offer, testimonials for trust, and a contact page that helps generate leads. Everything looks clean, modern, and built to convert visitors into clients. And the best part, we're building this step by step together. The first thing you want to do is click the link in the description below. That will take you to Hostinger's website, where you'll get the exclusive Hostinger discount. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and get the lowest pricing available. Go ahead and click the Claim Deal button. That'll take you to the Hosting Plans section. Here, you'll see 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll clearly explain which plan makes the most sense specifically for building your consulting website so you know exactly what to choose. Now here's something important. Even though Hostinger already shows a large discount, the exclusive promo code I provided saves you even more at checkout, so make sure you apply it. And no matter which plan you choose, all of them include 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, global data centers, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Now let's quickly break down the plan so you can choose the right one confidently. Hostinger's premium plan is a great starting point. You can host up to 3 websites, get 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, free email accounts for the first year, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, and a free domain name when you choose an annual plan. However, here's something important to consider. If you plan to accept online payments, sell services directly, or build anything more advanced in the future, you may want additional performance and features. The business plan includes everything from premium, but adds significantly more power. You can host up to 50 websites, get 50 gigabytes of faster NVMe storage, more email accounts, and access to Hostinger's full AI toolkit. You'll also get daily and on-demand backups, a built-in CDN for faster global performance, and overall stronger performance resources. If you're building a serious consulting business website and want more flexibility and performance, this is the plan I recommend. If you want maximum performance, the Cloud Startup plan takes things even further. You can host up to 100 websites, get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes per website, a dedicated IP address, automatic website migration, and priority 24/7 expert support. This plan is ideal if you're running multiple websites or want higher performance and more resources. Once you've chosen your plan, click the Choose Plan button underneath it. You'll now land on the cart page. On the right-hand side, click Have a Coupon Code. Paste in the promo code from the description and click Apply. You'll see the price update instantly. You'll get an additional 10% off. On the left side under Period, choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind, the free domain name is only included with annual plans. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the 12-month option. Next, you'll choose your domain name. Type in the domain you'd like. If it's available, you'll see it listed at $0 when you're on an annual plan. Click it to add the button. Important, if you see the domain defaulting to a 2-year term, switch it to 1 year so it remains free. You'll also see that free domain privacy protection is included, which keeps your personal contact information private. You'll also see an optional add-on called Hostinger Reach. This is an AI-powered email marketing tool. If you want to use it, you can select your subscriber amount and add it here, but it's completely optional. Once you're ready, click Continue to create your account. Enter your details and click Register. Next, fill in your billing information. If you selected an annual plan, you'll see the free domain and free domain privacy included in your order summary. Click Continue. Finally, choose your payment method. Hostinger supports multiple payment options. For this tutorial, I'll select Card and click Submit Payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt, and then we can move on to building your website. After checkout, you'll be taken inside your Hostinger dashboard. The first screen you'll see is who is this website for? Go ahead and choose the option that best matches your situation, whether it's for yourself, your business, or a client. If you'd rather skip it, you can click skip at the bottom. For this tutorial, I'll select an option and click next. Next, you'll see create or migrate your website. If you're starting fresh, select create a website. If you already have a website somewhere else and want to move it to Hostinger, you can choose migrate a website instead. Since we're building from scratch, I'll select create a website and click next. Now, Hostinger will ask you how you want to build your site. You'll see 3 options: WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder, MTPHP, HTML. For this tutorial, we're going to choose WordPress. Now it's time to set up your WordPress login details. First, choose the language for your WordPress dashboard. Then enter the username and password you want to use to log into your WordPress admin area. Make sure to choose something secure and save your login information somewhere safe. Once you've entered your details, click Next. You'll now be taken to the Choose a Pre-Built Website page. Here, Hostinger gives you the option to start with a professionally designed template. You can browse through different categories and preview designs. At the bottom of the page, you'll also see the option to create a blank site instead. For this tutorial, I'm going to click Create Blank Site so we can install our own professional theme and customize everything using Elementor. Next, you'll see the page that says what domain name do you want to use for this website. If you already selected a domain during checkout, it should appear here automatically. If you own a domain from somewhere else, you can enter it here. And if you're not ready to connect a domain yet, you can click Use Temporary Domain at the bottom to get started immediately. After that, you'll see where is your target audience located. From the drop-down, choose the data center closest to your primary audience. This helps improve loading speed and performance. Once you've selected your location, click Install WordPress. The installation process will begin and may take a few minutes. When it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to your WordPress dashboard inside the Hostinger onboarding area. If you ever need to access your WordPress dashboard again in the future, you can do it directly from your Hostinger H-panel. From the Hostinger H-panel homepage, click Websites in the left side menu. You'll see a list of your websites. Next to your domain, click WP Admin to go directly to your WordPress dashboard. Now we're inside WordPress. Before we choose a theme and start building, there's one important step. Hostinger automatically installs an onboarding plugin to guide beginners through setup. However, this plugin overrides normal WordPress flow and limits your ability to properly choose and install Elementor. Since we're building this consulting website manually using Elementor, we need to deactivate it first. This ensures we have full control over our theme, plugins, and page builder without Hostinger Setup Wizard interfering. To do that, go to Plugins in the left side menu, find the Hostinger Onboarding plugin, click Deactivate. Once it's deactivated, we'll have full access to install Elementor and continue building the site the right way. Now let's install our WordPress theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Astra. Astra is lightweight, beginner-friendly, and works perfectly with Elementor, which is what we'll be using to customize our consulting website. Click Install, then Activate. And just like that, your new theme is live. Now, instead of building everything from scratch, let me show you how to import a professionally designed consulting website in just a few clicks. Go to Plugins, Add Plugin, search for Starter Templates. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll land on the Welcome to Astra page. Click Exit Guided Setup in the top right. Next, go to Appearance, Starter Templates, select Classic Starter Templates, then click Build with Templates. Next, choose Elementor as your page builder. If a different builder is selected at the top, just switch it to Elementor. Now you'll see a large library of professionally designed websites. You can search, browse categories, or scroll through the full collection. Hover over the business category and click Consulting. This will filter templates specifically designed for consulting businesses, coaches, advisors, and service providers. If you see Premium next to a template, that means it requires the paid version. The free ones will not have that label. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the template called Business Coaching and Consulting. To find the template, type Business Coaching in the search bar at the top. You'll see the template appear in the results. Once you select a template, you'll have the option to upload a logo, choose fonts, set brand colors. If you don't have those ready yet, that's completely fine. We can customize everything later. Click Continue. On the Select Features page, you can choose additional options, but for this tutorial, I'll click Skip this step. Then on the next screen, just click Submit and build my website. Now WordPress will import the full website for you. This usually only takes about a minute. And just like that, your professionally designed consulting website is built. Click View Your Website to see it live. Now let's customize it. At the top of the page, click Edit with Elementor. This opens Elementor's drag and drop editor where you can visually edit everything on your website in real time. Text, images, colors, layouts without touching any code. And this is where the fun begins. Now let's start by customizing the most important part of your website, the top section, also known as the hero section. This is the first thing visitors see when they land on your site, so we want it to clearly represent your consulting business and the results you can help clients achieve. To change the background image, right-click anywhere inside the top section and select Edit Container. Then go to the Style tab. At the top, you'll see Background Type. You can choose from Classic, Gradient, Video, or a Slideshow. For most consulting websites, Classic works best, so I'll keep it set to Classic. If you want to remove the current image, hover over it and click the trash can icon. To replace it, click the image area. From here, you can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your media library. I'm going to choose an image I've already uploaded and click Select. And just like that, the new background image is applied. Now let's make it look even more professional. Scroll down to Background Overlay. Click into the color option to choose an overlay color. This is helpful for improving readability and matching your brand colors. Below that, you'll see Opacity. Drag the slider to adjust how strong or subtle the overlay appears. This allows you to darken or lighten the background image so your text stands out clearly. And that's how you customize the top section background. Now that the background looks the way we want, let's update the text so it reflects your consulting business. Click directly on the headline. You'll see the text appear in the left panel. Go ahead and change it to something clear and benefit driven, such as strategic consulting for growing businesses. Once you've updated it, click the arrow next to Publish, then select Save Draft. To preview your changes, click the Preview Changes icon, and just like that, you've edited your first section using Elementor. No coding, just click, edit, and save. Now let's replace an image. Scroll down to the section with the image and click directly on it. In the left panel, click the image area. From here, you can upload a new image, search for stock images, or choose one from your media library. I'll select one I've already uploaded and click Select. And just like that, the new image appears. If needed, you can adjust alignment or styling under the Style tab. Now let's edit a button. Click directly on the button. From the left panel, you can change the button text and paste the URL into the link field. If you click the small settings icon next to the link, you can choose to open it in a new window, mark it as no follow. You likely won't need these right away, but it's good to know they're there. You can also add an icon by selecting Icon Library or uploading your own SVG. Under the Style tab, you can change text color, background color. And under Hover, you can customize how it looks when someone moves their mouse over it. This gives your site a more interactive, professional feel. Now let's customize the services section so it reflects your actual consulting services. Scroll down until you see the section that lists the services. Click directly on one of the service boxes. In the left panel, you'll see the service title. Go ahead and change the title to one of the services you offer. For example, Business Strategy Consulting, Marketing Strategy, Operations Optimization, Financial Advisory, Leadership Coaching. Keep it simple and clear. Focus on the outcome and who you serve. If you'd like to duplicate a service box instead of rebuilding it, right-click on the section and click Duplicate. Then simply edit the text to match another service you offer. You can also drag and rearrange the service boxes if you'd like to change the order. Remember, your goal here isn't just to list services. It's to clearly communicate the problems you solve and the results you deliver within seconds. And once you've updated your services, click Save Draft. If you offer detailed service pages, you can also link each service box to its own page. Just click on the service box, scroll down to the link field, and paste the URL of the page you want it to connect to. This improves navigation and makes your website feel more professional. Let me show you how to add new elements and sections to build out your site even further. Click the plus icon in the top left to open the Elements panel. From here, you can drag in widgets like headings, images, buttons, icon boxes, and many more. Simply drag the element into place and start customizing it immediately. You can edit content, change colors, adjust spacing, modify layout. If you want to duplicate something, right-click and select Duplicate. To remove it, right-click and choose Delete. Remember, nothing is permanent. Everything can be moved or changed at any time. If you want to add a brand new section, scroll to where you'd like it. Hover and click the plus icon. Click the plus icon again. Choose Flexbox, then select your layout structure. Now you can drag elements into this new section and build it out however you'd like. To move a section, click the 6 dots icon and drag it. To delete a section, hover and click the X. Finally, if you scroll down, you'll see the Starter Templates option. Click blocks to browse pre-designed sections like testimonials, contact areas, or hero sections. If you find one you like, click it and click Import Block to add it instantly. This is a great way to expand your site quickly without designing everything from scratch. Now I want to go over the contact form and make sure it's set up correctly because this is how potential clients will reach you. First, let's save our changes. Click Save Draft. Next, click the preview icon to open your website. In the menu, click Contact. Scroll down and you'll see the contact form displayed on the page. Now let's customize it. Hover over your site title name at the top and click Dashboard. In the left side menu, click SureForms. If prompted, click Exit Guided Setup. At the top, click Forms. You'll see your contact form listed here. Click the Edit icon. This will open the form editor. To edit a field, simply click on it. You can change the field label text, adjust the field size, and drag fields up or down to rearrange them. On the right-hand side, you'll see additional settings. Here, you can edit the error message, add help text, add placeholder text, make the field required, set a maximum number of characters. If you click on the button field, you can easily change the button text to something like schedule a consultation or submit inquiry. Now let's go over styling the form. Click anywhere outside the form fields to select the form container. On the right hand side under Style, you can customize background, background color, primary color, text color, and more. If you click Field, you can adjust the spacing between fields. If you click Button, you can change the button alignment. Now let's go over form settings. At the top, click Form Settings, then click Email Notification. You can toggle the admin email notification on or off. Click the pencil icon to edit it. Here you can change the notification name, the send to email address, the subject line, the confirmation message, the from name, the from email address. Make sure the send to email address is set to your actual business email so you can receive submissions. On the left-hand side, click Form Confirmation. Here you can edit your success message or choose to redirect users to a specific page or custom URL after submission. If you click Spam Protection, you can enable spam protection for your form. Once you're finished, click the X to exit form settings. Now, click Save to apply your changes, and your contact form is fully set up. I'm back here on the contact page. Now let's make sure your phone number is set up correctly. Scroll to wherever your phone number appears. In the link field, format it like this. Tell, your phone number, no parentheses or hyphens. This makes the phone number clickable on mobile devices, so when someone taps it, it automatically starts a call. This is especially helpful for consulting businesses that schedule discovery calls. Once you've updated it, click Save Draft. Now let's add a map so customers can easily find your business location. Go to the Map section. If the template you are using doesn't show a map, click the plus icon and search for the Google Maps widget. You can drag it to where you want it. Hover over the map and click the pencil icon to edit it. In the left panel, under Location, enter your full business address. You can adjust the zoom level to control how close the map appears and change the height to make it taller or shorter on the page. At the top of the screen, you may see a notification about adding a Google Maps API key. This is required for the map to display properly on your live website. Click the Create Your API Key link. This will take you to Google Cloud's platform. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page, then click Create Project. Enter a project name. You can simply use your business or website name, and click Create. Once the project is created, Google will generate an API key. Copy this key. Now go back to the editor for the page. Click the Integration Settings link in the notification message. Paste your API key into the Google Maps API field and click Save Changes. Once saved, your map will display correctly on your live website. This setup only needs to be done once. After that, your map will continue working normally. If you don't have a physical office location, you can skip the map or display the city or service area instead. Now let me quickly show you a few important Elementor basics you should know. At the top right of Elementor, click Publish whenever you're ready to make your changes live. If you click the arrow next to it, you can save the page as a draft or even save it as a template to reuse later. If you ever want to preview your site, click the eye icon. You can also switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything looks good on every device. If you click the Elementor icon in the top left, then click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon, it will take you back to your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, you can click Add Page to create additional pages like a Services page, About page. Under Appearance, Menus, you can edit your navigation menu by selecting the menu you want and clicking Select. From here, you can add new pages to the menu, rearrange items, create drop-down submenus, rename, or remove menu items. Just drag items slightly to the right to create a submenu. Click Save Menu when you're finished. If you ever need extra features on your site, you can go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and search for additional functionality. There are thousands of plugins available to expand what your website can do. And that's the core of how WordPress works. Now let's quickly look at the header. This is the top section of your website where your logo, navigation menu usually appear. To edit it, go to Appearance, Customize. Here you can click directly on elements like the logo, menu, social icons, or call to action button to edit them. You can move things around to get them how you like. If you click on the logo, you can upload your own business logo. If there's a call to action button, like get a quote, you can edit the text and link here as well. If your template includes social media icons, click on them to update the links to your actual Facebook, Instagram, or other social accounts. If you don't use social media, you can simply remove them by clicking the X button here next to it. Once you're done, click Publish to save your changes. Now scroll down to the bottom of your website to the footer. Here you can update things like business address, phone number, email, copyright text, social media links, just like shown in the header area. This is also a great place to add your service areas. When you're finished, click Publish. To add a favicon, click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click Site Identity. You can now add or change the favicon to what you like. Now let's quickly update your global site style so everything matches your brand. Click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click the global icon in the left side menu. Here you'll see options for colors, typography, buttons, and more. Click Colors. This is where you can set your primary brand color, for example, professional blue, navy, deep green, or another color that reflects your brand and builds trust. When you update the primary color here, it will automatically update buttons and accent elements across your entire site. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. Now, click Typography. Here you can adjust your global fonts for headings and body text. Choose something clean and professional. For consulting websites, clean and professional fonts work best for headings, paired with a simple, highly readable font for body text. If you click Buttons, you can globally adjust the button style, including background color, text color, and hover effects. This ensures all buttons across your site look consistent. Once you're finished, click Publish to apply the changes. And just like that, your entire website has a consistent professional look. Now that everything is customized and ready to go, it's time to publish your website. Click Publish in Elementor to save all changes. Now open your website in a new tab and take a final look. Click through your pages, test your contact form, click your phone number, make sure everything works properly. And just like that, your consulting website is live. And that's it. You now have a fully functional professional consulting website built with WordPress in Elementor without writing a single line of code. From here, you can continue adding case studies, testimonials, detailed service pages, blog content, or even booking and scheduling integrations. Your website can grow as your consulting business grows. Just remember, your website is often the first impression potential clients have of you, so keep it updated, keep your messaging clear, and continue refining it as your services evolve. And if you followed along using Hostinger, you now have fast, reliable hosting that's built to scale with your business. If you haven't grabbed hosting yet, I've left the discounted Hostinger link in the description below, along with the exclusive coupon code that gives you an additional 10% off. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. And if you have any questions while building your site, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.